Today I'll be discussing the technology integration frameworks used in a K-12 classroom. First, we're going to begin with the TIP model, Technology Integration Planning. This is a plan for successfully incorporating technology into a lesson. This plan consists of 5 phases. The phases are relative advantage, objectives and assessments, design integration strategies, prepare the instructional environment, and evaluate and revise integration strategies. Phase 1 asks questions such as, what will the impact on teaching and learning be if technology is incorporated? Phase 2 asks, what are the best ways of assessing those outcomes? Will the objectives be achieved? Phase 3 asks, what kind of instructional methods are needed in light of content objectives and student characteristics? Phase 4 asks, what equipment, software, media, and materials will I need to carry out the instructional strategies? Phase 5 addresses, were the objectives achieved, and could improving instructional strategies or the environment improve the results? The SAMR model, Substitution, Augmentation, Modification, Redefinition model, offers a method of how technology might impact teaching and learning. This is a method that shows a progression that adopters of educational technology often follow as they progress through teaching and learning with technology. Here is a visual aid to help you understand that substitution and augmentation is an enhancement to the lesson, whereas the modification and redefinition technology has transforms the lesson. The low T model, Levels of Teaching Innovation. This is an individualized research-based analysis to convert concrete data from school systems into practical, actionable solutions. And here's an example. Next, we have the TIM model, which is a technology integration matrix. This illustrates how teachers can use technology to enhance learning for the students. The TIM model has different levels, which are the entry, the adoption, adaptation, infusion, and transformation. As you see in the matrix, across the top are the levels of technology integration into the curriculum. It begins with entry, where the teacher begins to use technology tools to deliver curriculum content to the students, all the way through transformation, where the teacher encourages innovative use of technology tools, such as the students discovering their own knowledge for themselves. So it goes from teacher-centered teaching to student-centered environments. And along the side, we have characteristics of the learning environment, which is an active student all the way through goal-directed, where the students are learning for themselves. Next we have is the TPAC, Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge. Is a framework that identifies the knowledge of teachers need to teach effectively with technology. This model combines the 3 primary forms of knowledge, which are the content, the pedagogy, and the technology. The TPACK approach goes beyond seeing these three knowledge bases in isolation. They emphasize the new kinds of knowledge that lie at the intersections between them, representing four more knowledge bases, teacher applicable to teaching with technology. The TPACK has four sections, which include the technological pedagogical knowledge, which is TPK, to technological content knowledge, TCK, or pedagogical content knowledge, PCK, as well. And then they can all be combined into one. And here are the sources used to find the information used in this presentation. Technology integration frameworks.